Well, I have to be honest, I was absolutely dead set against it. I had quite a few fears with regards to that. And so we discussed it. You know, we had a pretty lengthy discussion regarding it. My greatest fear was that she would come out of the process not looking like the woman that I married. And I happen to think she was quite beautiful the way she was, so why do we need to change anything? I wanted to have a consultation with Dr. Karam and speak with him a little bit regarding the issue. So she set up a half an hour, 45-minute consultation with the doctor. I came in and I had a list of questions to ask him, which he did a really good job. Frankly, in chatting with him, he answered all the questions before I even got a chance really to ask them. And as it turns out, the procedures that she was going to have were not ones that were going to really change her appearance per se, but just make her look more youthful. Amy's kind of funny. She hid from me for a week after the surgery. So she stayed with her mom for a week after the surgery because she knew I love my wife very much. And to see her, you know, kind of beat up like that would tear me up. So she knew that she needed to stay away for the worst part of the recovery, which she did. I saw her after a week. It's kind of funny. She would send me an occasional picture, a text message with a little snippet of a piece of her face to kind of prepare me for what she was going to look like. And so I saw her a week after, and you know, she had quite a few things done at one time. So she was still, you know, swollen, still bandages on and stuff. What was most surprising to me was actually a week after when I first saw her, I saw the photos of her right after the surgery, and I was surprised at what she looked like, how much improvement there had been just in 1 week's time. And then moving forward, I was really surprised by how quickly she healed and how little pain she had. When I saw that first picture of her right after the surgery, I couldn't even imagine how much pain that must have been, but according to her, there was virtually none. So that was pretty shocking to me that much could happen and have that little pain. I think she's now 8 weeks or 9 weeks post-op, and it's pretty incredible, I have to say. I would say her appearance now is about 15 years younger than the day she went in for the surgery. So it's pretty amazing, and it doesn't look like she had plastic surgery. It just looks like somebody turned the clock back 15 years. Her facial appearance now Amy's a very youthful person inside, and now her face kind of matches her personality and whatnot. Whereas before or at least she felt that her facial features didn't match her inner being or inner self, so to speak. But now those two things seem to be in sync. So that's one thing. And the other interesting thing to watch is to watch people that see her for the first time post-op and post-recovery. And the reactions are pretty incredible. People are really blown away by it. I can't even describe the reaction that people have. It's pretty amazing. If I could say to all the husbands out there who might be concerned about their wives going through this process, you really don't need to be concerned. All of the concerns that I had proved to be unfounded, and you know, the process out the other end is just simply amazing. I would say because of this procedure, she's much more comfortable and happy in who she is. She's more confident, you know, just in her appearance. She's always been a confident person, but in her appearance, she's much more confident now than she was prior to the surgery.